Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete Snapchat messages from both sides. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Snapchat app. From here, you need to tap on Chats on the left side. So, in order to show you guys, I'll tap on a friend's chat. And after that, I'll type in a random message to send to this friend. This works both for text and snaps as well. So as you can see, I just sent a text to my friend. Now, in order to delete the text, you need to tap and hold the text. After that, you will get to see multiple options. What you need to do is tap on delete in order to delete this. And then you need to tap on OK. You will get a message that says when you delete a message, we'll attempt to remove it from our servers and your friends' devices. It may not always work, like if someone has a bad internet connection or an old version of Snapchat. So after tapping on OK, you need to tap on delete chat. And as you can see, the text has been deleted from Snapchat. Note that your friend will get to see that you deleted a message. As you can see here, there is a notification that says you deleted a chat. Your friend will get to see that as well. So that is how you can permanently delete Snapchat messages from both sides. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.